Welcome to Unacademy. Today is so wonderful day. Hope you also enjoyed your class. So let's check whether am I audible or not. Guys, am I audible? Fine. Let me confirm with few people that okay guys, so once again I welcome you all for this wonderful platform, Unacademy. So this platform is going to educate, and this platform is going to be a success platform for you. Okay, for those who are going to be a plus subscriber, they have an added advantages for them. So what are the benefits and advantages that they are going to get it from Unacademy? That is, hi Kirti Nalla, welcome Kirti. Good evening, how are you Kirti? How are you, Katie? Am I audible? Kindly check and let me know. Am I audible? Okay, great. So which means like I can hear you. Okay, Kirti, that's nice that you are in. I think the background noise is okay. Great. So we'll start with today's session. Before we start with, let me confirm with few benefits that if you are going to be a plus subscriber, what are the benefits that you are going to get it. So benefits are unlimited actually. Benefits are unlimited access that you are going to get, and you can learn from the top educator. You can learn from the top educator about physics, chemistry and biology. Okay. And they will be giving you a full attention, and they will be giving you a full guidance about your career and personal growth. Not only the subject, but where do you lag exactly. Your lagging part also we will be concentrating. So first you will get a premium content. And fine sir, what about you? I'm also doing good, and if you are hope you are also doing great. So how is your preparation going on, Katie? So hope your preparations is good. So now what I am planning to take today classes about reproductions, human reproductions. What are the process? Third sector today. So today's topic is third sector. I am from Tamil Nadu, Trichima. I'm from Tamil Nadu, but still managed to speak Telugu. So, and if you want, I can speak it in Telugu also if you want any doubts. Okay. That's nice to see participating. So are you preparing for this time 2021 or 2022? Hi Akshaya, good evening. So to get the subscriptions, what are the price that you're going to pay? The price that you're going to pay is for 1 year it is 12,375, and for 6 months it is going to be 10,125. It's very cheap. I won't say that this is huge amount, but comparatively Unacademy is giving an affordable price. So with this affordable price, you can crack and you can achieve your dream. Okay, so if you wanted to be into the rankers batch, you can join the rankers batch from Unacademy. So this rankers batch already started from 24th December. So you can go and check your rankers batch also, and you can try for a monthly package also. So monthly package comparatively I would suggest to be more cost effective, you can join 6 months plan, which is very cheap, 10,125, and if it's for if you want to join 1 year package, you can join for 12,375. So this 10,125 and 12,375 is a discounted price. So this discounted price, if you want to get it, so you will have to apply some promotional code. If you use and referral code, you will get that 10% discount. So Kirti, if you wanted to go for, so Kirti, are you preparing for 2021 success or 22? Okay, it's nice to see that you are engaged and you are preparing eagerly. I appreciate and I congratulate you for that. And keep your consistent preparations, automatically the success will be yours. So to get the success rate, most important point is consistent preparation with the proper guidance. So we are here to guide you and we are here to help you to make your concepts more stronger. Okay, so now next. So to be a rankers cadre, you need to have that ability 2021. Then definitely you have to join our rankers batch using this promo code. Use the promo code Arun is live, and with that you will get the discounted price. So join the session and the preparations are going in a full-fledged way, and you can join the rankers batch. I am going to teach biology, Arun Kumar Selvam, Kiran sir, Maruti sir and Appaji sir. All are experts and they will be helping you in your language also. In your own language, Telugu language also they will teach. Okay, so you will get what are the benefits. Again I am repeating, you will get the concepts from best educator. It will be done if you want in your own language, that is Telugu language. In the period, in this rankers batch, we will be covering the complete syllabus. Not only that, we will give you tips and tricks to achieve maximum number of scores. Okay, if anybody are lagging with time scores, if you have knowledge, if you don't know how to expose, we will teach you for that. Okay, now we will concentrate on that and we will help you to improve your skill in score more. Okay, so today's topic, what is the today's topic actually? Today's topic is the next part of next continuations of human reproduction, that is oogenesis and menstrual cycle. So this is the topic that we are going to check. So what do you mean by oogenesis? Before we join with oogenesis, let us learn what is spermatogenesis. So continuations of yesterday's class. I have taught you, I'm just revising a few points. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Can you tell me, Kirti or Akshaya, those who are watching my session, answer to my question. I'm repeating the same question which I have asked you yesterday. What do you mean? What is the difference between oviparous and viviparous? I'm counting 5. What is the difference between oviparous and viviparous? If you know the answer, just write it down. I'm not going to disclose because I have already discussed. And any word which has a suffix of genesis, it means something. What is that? This is second question. Any word which has suffix part as genesis, what does it mean? Is it clear? So now let me enter into yesterday I have can you answer? Shall I wait for the time? Can you answer this question? Egg laying, oviparous, very good, excellent. And there is another explanation for that. If a young one, that is new baby or the next generation, are developed inside the mother, that is called as viviparous. If the development of a new one or young baby outside the body of a mother, then it is called as oviparous. So egg is giving birth to young ones directly. So that is, we cannot say it is directly. The young one grows inside the mother's womb or mother's body, inside the mother, then it is called as viviparous. Very good, Kirti, excellent. So now I have asked you one more question. If a word ends with, that is suffixed by genesis, means what? Excellent, wonderful. I really appreciate that your eagerness and your involvement, and I'm damn sure that you should be a topper in your class, because spontaneous answering is an art actually. Spontaneous answering is an art, and you have that skill with you. So keep it up. Now tell me, if a word ends with genesis, what does it mean? No. No. Akshaya and if any other people are watching, you can also answer. If a word which ends with Genesis, what does it mean? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have already told in the previous classes. Still, I am repeating. These are all the hint for your MCQs when you are appearing for exam. If certain words, if you are not aware of certain words, with this keyword you would be able to come to a conclusion. This word means that. So Genesis means synthesize or formation. So the meaning of Genesis means synthesize or formation. Formation of something. Oogenesis means formation of Excel. Spermatogenesis. I'll show you the next one. Actually, the yesterday's left out part is spermatogenesis. So here Genesis is there. So here Genesis means sperm formation. I'll show you. So spermatogenesis. So today we will be learning this spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Okay. So now, as I said, Genesis means formation. Spermatogenesis means sperms are produced or developed. So where they are produced, how they are produced, those things we will be learning. Welcome guys. Say hi if you are joining new, and let us discuss, and we'll have our interactive sessions if you want to achieve. So spermatogenesis means what? So spermatogenesis are the transformed, actually, development of sperm inside the seminiferous tubule. So actually, this is the structure of sperm. These sperms are developed by seminiferous tubule. So how they are formed? First, they are transformed from spermatids. First, the stages of development is, first one is spermatids, the second one is spermatozoa, second one is spermatozoa. So then that process is called spermatogenesis. The process of development of spermatids to spermatozoa is called spermatogenesis. Okay, these things, where does these things happens? Hi Kashyap, Marina. Hi Kashyap, Marina. Welcome to the sessions. Hi Hamsalika, welcome. So if you have any problem or if you need to understand some concepts, you can ask, you can post message, we can learn. Okay, so now this development takes place where it actually takes place in testis. So in male reproductive system, in first class of this batch of this month, I have explained about testis, what are the parts, and this testis part will help in development of male germs. Male germ cell is nothing but sperm. Male germ cell produces sperm. Okay, hi, okay. So if you need any guidance, if you need any kind of help, you can ask me. Okay, that's good that you are responding. I'm happy for that. Okay, great. So we'll go to the next question. Next point, important point. Spermatogonium means spermatogonia is present inside the wall of seminiferous tubule. So seminiferous tubule, I'll show you the seminiferous tubule. So I have explained it in the yesterday's class. So seminiferous tubule tubules are the place where sperms are being developed. How they are dividing? What are the process? Mitotic divide. It will have a division of mitotic. Here you have to remember, sperms are multiplied with mitotic division and it increases the number. Okay, the primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte. Okay, these two primary spermatocytes and secondary spermatocytes has dash number of chromosomes. This was a question once. Marina, can I call you as Marina? So primary spermatocytes carries 46 chromosomes. It carries 46 chromosomes and the divisions goes with meiosis. it goes with meiotic division. 46 chromosomes with meiotic division. And secondary spermatocytes have 23 chromosomes with even that with meiotic division. Even that is meiotic division. Okay, and produce four equal and haploid spermatids. It will provide 4 equal haploid spermatids. Okay, is it clear? Hope you are clear. Okay, great. So now formation of spermatogenesis is over. Primary and secondary, all these two types of divisions goes with mitotic division, and primary and secondary goes with meiotic division. And primary will go with 46 chromosomes, secondary developments will go with 23 chromosomes. Excellent. So that's all. So now we'll go with the next one. That is structure of sperm. So what are the important parts of a sperm? The structure of sperm looks with head and tail. That's it. Only 2 parts are there. Head, tail, and the connecting part is neck. The connecting part of head and tail are neck. Kirti, are you there with me? Kirti, listening to the class? Okay, Kirti, if you are listening to the class, I would suggest you can check my live class, free live class in Unacademy special class. So in Unacademy, you can come and join my free live session also. Okay, not only in YouTube, in Unacademy application also, I am taking class for free, and you can join and you can follow me. Before subscription, you can watch the free classes also. So I would suggest you to install the video. Video vastundama. Kirti, is it coming to vastunda? No vastunda, Kirti? Marina video raatledante phone ki okasari restart cheyama. Marina, ఒకసారి ఫోన్ డేటా ఫ్లక్చుయేట్ చేయమా, ఇక్కడ అందరికి వస్తుంది. హంసలేఖ, is it coming? Okay, for Hamsalekha is coming. What about వస్తుంది? Okay, Kirti, then it is fine. Then check with your network, Marina. Okay, so this video కింద సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ చేయడానికి అవసరం లేదు. Unacademy వెబ్సైట్ లో అప్లికేషన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తే అందులో నా పేరు వస్తుంది, అది ఫాలో చేయండి. ఫాలో చేస్తే అప్పుడు నా ఫ్రీ క్లాసెస్ కూడా వస్తుంది. ఆ ఫ్రీ క్లాస్ లో కూడా మీరు రావచ్చు, నా క్లాసెస్ వినొచ్చు. 1 hour session daily I am taking free live session. You can join there also. So I will be discussing, and we can have this kind of discussion, and you can experience the top quality live session actually. So if you have not install it and follow me. We can learn through special class also. Okay, Kirti and Marina, both of you are welcome and join my free special class also. Okay, na? I'll continue with that today's session. Free classes. Okay, free classes. నిన్న ఫాలో చేయి, యాక్చువల్లీ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి నిన్న ఫాలో చేస్తే నా క్లాస్ ఎప్పుడు పెడతానో అప్పటి నుంచి మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది. రేపు ఈవినింగ్ 6 o'clock క్లాస్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, great. So now it is coming, I believe. So neck part has a highly proteinaceous thick layer will be there. Okay, వినిపిస్తుందమ్మా? Okay, great. So coming back to the point, it has a middle piece. Now head portion lo em vastadi, plasma membrane untadi. Okay, ప్లాస్మా మెంబ్రేన్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సూపర్. ప్లాస్మా మెంబ్రేన్ ఉంటుంది, అక్రోజోమ్ ఉంటుంది. సో న్యూక్లియస్ containing chromosomal material, and middle piece will have mitochondria. Mitochondria gives the power to move fast, tail, which helps for fast movement. That's it. Okay, now we'll go with the next one. So middle piece. So we will, in special class we will have MCQs discussion also. So join my MCQs free special class Kirti. So make special attention is the everybody. I will clarify all the doubts that you ask me. Okay, now I'll go ahead and tell you what are the functions of middle piece. So middle piece has mitochondria, as I said, and it gives energy for high mobility. For sperm mobility, it gives high energy. So for single ejaculation, it goes like 200 to 300 millions of sperm. It goes with 200 to 300 millions of sperm. Remember this term, 60%. This was the question once it was asked actually. This question was asked once. So remember, they have asked that 60% of the 60% of sperm must have normal shape and 40% of sperm must have vigorous motility. So they have asked what is the percentage. So 60-40 or 40-60. This was a question once in EAMCET they have asked. So you have to be specific. So 200 to, we know that it has a large millions of sperms are being asked. So now 200 to 300 millions of sperms are being released during coitus, which is normal for normal fertilizations. So less than 60% of sperm must have normal shape and size. Okay. Now next, the sperm, the secretions of epididymis. So secretions of epididymis, vas deferens, seminiferous vesicle, and prostates. So seminiferous vesicle and prostates is essential for maturations and motility of sperm. So they need for motility of sperm. Okay, great. So going to the next slide, hormone and its function actually. So in this slide, these are the hormones which is very important for the fertilization process. After fertilization also it will be taking place. So gonadotrophic hormone. So gonadotrophic releasing hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormone helps in puberty. So during puberty it helps in, okay, and anterior pituitary gland, it has two types of hormone that gonadotropin represents. So gonadotropin hormone, see this slide talks about hormone and the most important hormones which are taking part in maturations and during fertilizations. What are the hormones and what are the roles and responsibility? Okay, so anterior pituitary gland and posterior pituitary gland. So anterior pituitary gland releases two major hormones. That two major hormones are luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. అర్థమవుతుందా? అర్థమో లేకపోతే మీరు అడగొచ్చు నిన్న. తెలుగులో కూడా నేను చెప్తా, అంతా క్లియర్ గా రాదు, but I can definitely help you in Telugu kuda. Okay, then luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. So this luteinizing hormone, what is the function actually? So it acts as a Leydig cell. So it acts as a Leydig cell. This was one question. They have asked what is Leydig cell. Leydig cell was helpful in secretions of androgen. Leydig cell helps in production or secretion, synthesis of androgen. Very important. Great. So androgen in turn stimulates the process of spermatogenesis. Very happy that you are understanding. Thank you, and I am happy that one understanding candidate is with me. And okay, then what is the main function of androgen? So androgen maintains the function of male sex accessories. So all male sex accessories, ducts and glands was maintained by androgen. For male it is androgen, remember. Now it is going to be for female. So follicle stimulating hormone. So follicle stimulating hormone means it acts on Sertoli cells. So you know what is Sertoli cells, right? I'll teach you about oogenesis after the session. So Sertoli cells, and that stimulates secretions of some factors which helps in the process of spermiogenesis. So for spermiogenesis, follicle stimulating hormone acts on Sertoli cells. See, it acts on Sertoli cells and stimulates the secretions of some factor which helps in the formations of spermiogenesis. I am repeating so that you will remember forever. So I am repeating the statement is only because you should retain the informations inside your memory lobes, so memory glands, okay, so that you will never forget. So the seminal plasma also with the sperm and constitutes semen. So along with semen, this Sertoli cells plays a vital role. Great. So going to the next part, that is diploid. So diploid is a cell. Diploid is a cell or organism that has paired chromosome. Diploid means it has a paired chromosome. One is from each parent. So each parent will give one pair of chromosomes. If two pair of chromosome is given, then we call it as diploid. It is a cell. Okay. In human, cells other than human sex cell diploid in nature. Each pair have 23 chromosomes. 23 pair of chromosomes will be present. Okay. Then in human sex cell contains single set of chromosome, and it is known as haploid. If it is only one set of chromosome, we call it as haploid, and if it is two set of chromosome, we call it as diploid. Okay, so that's all for spermatogenesis. Now I will introduce the first slide. And the next topic, that is oogenesis. So spermatogenesis is over. And if you have any doubts, you can raise. Spermatogenesis is over. Okay, Kirti, hope I can start with a new topic, and I'll just introduce this oogenesis, and remaining part will be continued in the next class. Done. Super. Great. So oogenesis means what? So the process of formations of egg cell or the female gamete is called as oogenesis, as I said. Okay, oogenesis means it is initiated during the embryonic development. Oogenesis start its functioning during the embryonic development stage. Million gametes of mother cell. Mother cell is nothing but oogenesis. Oogenia is egg or ovum. Okay, formed within each fetal ovary. No more oogenia are formed added after birth. So after birth, no oogenia will be formed for few months. So this cell start division and enters into prophase. It has certain phases. Prophase 1, that is meiotic division. Prophase 1 of the meiotic division, okay, and gets the temporary arrested at the stage called primary oocytes. So once they give birth or once the pregnancy is confirmed, it get temporarily arrested. That is called as primary oocyte. Okay, this is the introduction part. And sectional view. So how it looks actually? Our ovary looks, and what are the parts of ovary? So blood vessel, primary follicle, tertiary follicle, Graafian follicle, ovum, and corpus luteum. So these are the parts. So now these are the name of the parts. Now we will understand why it is so. Which one, what type of. So blood vessels means which supplies pure blood and takes away impure blood. First point is over. Now this supplies pure blood to form follicles. The first stage is called as primary follicles. And it keeps developing Sertoli cells with the help of Sertoli cells. I'll show you the other structure also. And then primary cells for follicles will develop into the next stage is called tertiary follicles. Finally, it will grow into Graafian follicles. And from Graafian follicles, ovum will be released. Okay. If the ovum is released, along with the ovum, endometrium layer will be washed away during the menstruation cycle. Okay. So if it is not fertilized, if it is fertilized, zygote formation will be there. If it is not fertilized, then it will be washed away. Okay. Then corpus luteum. Corpus luteum, again then the remaining thing will go with corpus luteum. The development of corpus luteum will then again will be going to the next level of primary follicles. That's it. This is how ovary functions and production of ovum. Is it clear? Guys, is it clear? Okay. Now I'll stop here with this today's session. So we will meet you in the next part of this reproduction section. I'll teach you about how things will go with development of spermatogenesis. Okay, primary follicles, functions of primary follicles. We'll see you in the next class. Also, we'll see you. So stay connected tomorrow 9 o'clock. Bye bye.